Welcome to our channel. We are so glad you found your way here. Let us help you fall asleep. Let's begin with bioluminescence, the secret language of the deep ocean. Fortune, take a slow, deep breath in and release it. Let the weight of the day fade away as we embark on an unhurried, atmospheric journey through the wonders of the cosmos. Your mind is quiet, the universe is vast, and we are ready to explore. Bioluminescence serves as a remarkable adaptation found in various organisms inhabiting the deep ocean. This phenomenon involves the production of light by living entities through biochemical reactions. The light emitted can range from a soft glow to a vibrant flash, often varying in color depending on the species. The significance of bioluminescence extends beyond mere aesthetics. It plays critical roles in communication, predation, and camouflage among these ocean inhabitants. In this region, organisms utilize bioluminescence for a variety of purposes. For instance, some species use light to attract mates, signaling readiness for reproduction amidst the darkness of their environment. Others employ it as a defense mechanism, emitting a sudden burst of light to startle predators or to obscure their escape. The adaptive value of this ability is profound, allowing for survival in an ecosystem characterized by immense pressure, cold temperatures, and complete darkness. The biochemical process underlying bioluminescence involves luciferin, a light-emitting compound, and luciferase, the enzyme that catalyzes the reaction. This interaction produces light with minimal heat, a phenomenon termed cold light. The extensive diversity of bioluminescent organisms found in the ocean unveils an intricate web of ecological relationships, highlighting the delicate balance of life that thrives in the depths. The study of this phenomenon continues to offer insights into evolutionary biology and the complexities of marine ecosystems. The evolution of bioluminescent organisms showcases a remarkable adaptation to the challenges of their environments. In these depths, light serves various purposes, from attracting mates to luring prey and deterring predators. These organisms have developed an array of chemical reactions involving luciferin and luciferase, creating light without significant heat. This efficiency allows them to thrive in regions where sunlight fails to penetrate. Certain species, like deep-sea jellyfish, exhibit intricate patterns of bioluminescence that can vary in intensity and color, enhancing their survival strategies. In contrast, the anglerfish utilizes a more deceptive approach, employing a bioluminescent lure to attract unsuspecting prey towards its formidable jaws. This duality illustrates how bioluminescence fosters both predation and defense within these communities. Some organisms, including certain species of plankton, synchronize their bioluminescent displays, creating ephemeral glows across vast expanses of water. This phenomenon can serve as a warning signal or as a means of communication within their species. The presence of bioluminescent bacteria in marine environments further enriches the narrative. These microorganisms often form symbiotic relationships with larger organisms, contributing to the intricate web of life. The continuous exploration of this evolutionary marvel reveals the delicate balance maintained within marine ecosystems and the profound interconnectedness of life beneath the waves. Light production in bioluminescent organisms is a remarkable biochemical process, primarily involving luciferins and luciferases. These compounds interact in a series of reactions that convert chemical energy into visible light. The luciferin molecule, when oxidized by the enzyme luciferase, emits photons in a reaction that is often highly efficient, producing minimal heat alongside the luminous output. This mechanism varies across species, resulting in a diverse spectrum of colors, from blue to green, depending on the specific luciferin being utilized. In some cases, the emitted light serves various ecological functions, such as attracting mates, deterring predators, or luring prey. The versatility of this biochemical system underscores its evolutionary advantages across different habitats. In the depths of the ocean, where sunlight is scarce, these organisms thrive, using their light for communication and survival. Some species, such as certain jellyfish and deep-sea fish, exhibit a phenomenon known as counter-illumination, where they match the downwelling light from above, helping them blend into their surroundings and avoid detection by predators. In this dark environment, bioluminescence becomes a crucial tool for both offense and defense. The intricate balance of light production reflects the adaptability and resilience of life forms inhabiting these extreme conditions, revealing the sophistication of their evolutionary paths. Luciferin and luciferase serve as key components in the bioluminescent process, facilitating the remarkable light emission observed in various organisms. Luciferin, a small organic molecule, undergoes an oxidation reaction when exposed to oxygen. This chemical transformation is catalyzed by luciferase, an enzyme that accelerates the reaction, allowing for the efficient conversion of chemical energy into visible light. The structure of luciferin varies among species, contributing to the diverse colors of bioluminescence seen throughout marine environments. In this region, the blue and green wavelengths dominate as these colors penetrate water more effectively. The efficiency of luciferase enhances the luminosity produced, ensuring that the emitted light serves its various ecological functions, such as communication, predation, and camouflage. The interaction between luciferin and luciferase exemplifies a finely tuned biochemical system, which has evolved over millions of years. This intricate relationship underscores the significance of bioluminescence in the survival strategies of deep-sea organisms. By employing light as a tool, these creatures navigate their dark habitats, establish mating rituals, and deter potential threats. Observing these biochemical processes provides insight into the evolutionary pressures that have shaped life in such challenging environments. Understanding the mechanisms behind bioluminescence sheds light on the broader narrative of adaptation and survival within the depths of our oceans. Diverse forms of life inhabit the ocean depths, each exhibiting unique adaptations that enable bioluminescence. Among these organisms, certain species of dinoflagellates stand out, harnessing this ability as a means of predation and defense. These microscopic protists contribute to the phenomenon known as sea sparkle, where their presence can illuminate the shoreline with a shimmering glow during disturbances. In addition to dinoflagellates, various species of jellyfish exhibit bioluminescence, utilizing it as a method for both attracting prey and deterring potential predators. These gelatinous creatures release light through specialized cells known as photocytes, creating mesmerizing displays that can captivate observers. Marine fish, such as the lanternfish, also possess the capability to produce light. Equipped with organs known as photophores, they can communicate with one another and evade larger predators by effectively camouflaging themselves against faint light filtering from the surface. This adaptation is crucial in the vast darkness of the deep sea. Another group, the enchanting firefly squids, showcases bioluminescence in a more complex manner. Their light production is not only a defensive mechanism, but also plays a role in mating displays. These organisms exemplify the intricate relationships between light, survival, and reproduction in the underwater realm, highlighting the ecological significance of bioluminescence across various taxonomic categories. The deep ocean presents an environment marked by extreme conditions where light fails to penetrate and pressure intensifies with depth. This vast expanse, often referred to as the abyss, encompasses a world of darkness where visibility is minimal and temperatures hover near freezing. Inhabitants of this region have adapted remarkably to these challenges, evolving unique physiological traits to thrive in an environment that would be inhospitable to many organisms. Nutrient availability is scarce, primarily derived from the surface layers where photosynthesis occurs. As a result, many species in the deep ocean rely on the rain of organic material from above, creating a delicate balance within the food web. Adaptations such as slow growth rates and prolonged lifespans are common, allowing these creatures to maximize energy utilization in a resource-limited habitat. Bioluminescence serves not only as a means of communication, but also as a crucial survival strategy. It facilitates prey attraction and predator evasion, enabling organisms to navigate the challenges posed by their surroundings. The phenomenon highlights a remarkable evolutionary response to the pressures of the deep sea, where every flicker of light may hold the key to survival. In this dark world, the interplay of light and life showcases the resilience of nature, revealing the complexities of ecosystems that thrive in seemingly inhospitable conditions. The deep ocean remains a testament to the adaptability of life. Adaptations emerge from the necessity of survival in the abyssal darkness. In these depths, where sunlight fails to penetrate, organisms have developed remarkable strategies to navigate their environment. Bioluminescence serves as a vital tool, enabling communication, predation, and protection against threats. This phenomenon manifests in various forms, from glowing tendrils to pulsating bodies, each adaptation finely tuned to the unique circumstances of their surroundings. Creatures such as the anglerfish employ bioluminescent lures to attract prey, enticing unsuspecting organisms into their reach. The deep-sea jellyfish exhibit ethereal displays of light, often mesmerizing potential predators while simultaneously confounding their own hunting efforts. This region's inhabitants utilize luminescence not solely for attraction, but also as a means of camouflage, blending into the faint light filtering from above, thus diminishing their visibility. In the vast expanse of the deep ocean, some species have evolved to produce light in response to stimuli, a phenomenon known as photic response. This adaptation aids in deterring predators and signaling to mates. The interplay of light in this environment fosters a complex web of ecological relationships, highlighting the intricate balance of life amidst the darkness. These adaptations illustrate the ingenuity of evolution, showcasing how even in the absence of sunlight, vibrant interactions persist beneath the waves. Bioluminescence serves as a vital defense mechanism for numerous marine organisms. This phenomenon enables creatures to emit light, creating a dazzling display that can disorient predators. In this region, species such as the lanternfish utilize their glowing bodies to confuse potential threats, evading capture in the dark depths. By producing sudden bursts of light, they can effectively distract and escape from pursuing adversaries. Many other organisms employ bioluminescence in unique ways. Some jellyfish and squids release clouds of luminescent fluid, creating a mesmerizing visual distraction. This tactic buys precious time for them to flee into the shadows of the ocean. Certain deep-sea fish possess specialized organs that allow them to emit light patterns, signaling to other beings, perhaps even deterring predators with their sudden brilliance. The interplay of light in these underwater realms also plays a role in communication and mating. Some species use bioluminescence to attract mates, signaling reproductive readiness through intricate light displays. This adds yet another layer of complexity to the behaviors observed in these organisms, showcasing a multifaceted approach to survival. In essence, bioluminescence highlights a delicate balance within the ecosystem. It serves not only as a defense mechanism, but also as a crucial tool for communication, illustrating the intricate relationships that define life in the ocean's depths. In this realm, bioluminescence plays a pivotal role in the capture of prey. Organisms utilize light as both a lure and a weapon, enhancing their hunting efficiency. For predators like the anglerfish, a glowing appendage serves as an irresistible beacon, drawing unsuspecting fish into range. This adaptation not only facilitates feeding, but also demonstrates the evolutionary arms race between predator and prey. The mesmerizing glow can also be a tool of deception. Certain species emit light patterns mimicking the bioluminescence of their prey or surrounding organisms. This mimicry confuses potential victims, providing a crucial advantage in the hunt. When a prey organism approaches, entranced by the light, the predator strikes with precision in the shadowy depths where visibility is limited. These light displays become vital. They can penetrate the darkness, signaling intent and location. Some organisms produce a sudden flash to startle, disorienting attackers or allowing an escape. This adaptive strategy highlights the multifaceted uses of bioluminescence, illustrating its significance beyond mere illumination. The interplay of light and life in this ecosystem reveals an ongoing evolutionary dialogue. The dynamic relationships forged in the depths underscore the importance of bioluminescence in survival, shaping the behaviors and interactions of countless species in this dark, unexplored world. Communication among bioluminescent species manifests in a variety of ways, showcasing the intricate systems of light that function in this profound environment. Light produced by organisms serves distinct purposes, ranging from attracting mates to signaling alarm or luring prey. Some creatures utilize flashes or patterns, engaging in a visual dialogue that conveys complex information within their communities. Different species have developed specialized adaptations to enhance their communication. For instance, certain types of jellyfish display rhythmic pulses of light, establishing a form of recognition among individuals. These bioluminescent signals can facilitate social interactions, allowing for cooperation in hunting or evasion of predators. The specific wavelengths emitted hold significance, often tailored to the visual capabilities of the receiving species, ensuring effective exchanges. In this region, the phenomenon of counter-illumination becomes relevant. Some organisms match the light filtering down from above, rendering themselves nearly invisible to predators below. This clever mimicry not only enhances individual survival, but also contributes to a larger ecological balance, influencing predator-prey dynamics. As researchers delve deeper into these interactions, the understanding of bioluminescence expands, revealing an intelligence reflected in the subtle flickers and glowing patterns. Each signal transmitted in this vast oceanic expanse underscores the evolutionary ingenuity of life, reinforcing the interconnectedness of species in an environment defined by darkness. The necessity for survival in the deep ocean fosters complex mating strategies that leverage bioluminescence in the inky depths. Organisms utilize light-producing capabilities to attract partners, ensuring reproductive success. The soft glow emitted by certain species serves as a beacon, drawing attention amidst the pervasive darkness. This phenomenon manifests in various forms, from gentle pulses to intricate patterns, each reflecting the unique adaptations of the species. In some instances, males display vibrant bioluminescent traits to signal their fitness and genetic quality. Females, equipped with the ability to perceive these light signals from great distances, are more inclined to select mates that exhibit the most compelling displays. This selective pressure drives the evolution of increasingly sophisticated light patterns and intensities, contributing to the diversity of bioluminescent organisms. Certain species, such as the deep-sea anglerfish, exhibit dramatic sexual dimorphism, where the male's reliance on bioluminescence becomes a vital tool for locating a female. The female's bioluminescent lure enhances her ability to attract potential mates, while the male's smaller size allows him to navigate the dark landscape with agility. These interactions highlight the essential role of light in facilitating not just communication, but also reproduction. Within a realm where visibility is limited and survival hinges on adaptability and creativity, the role of bioluminescence extends beyond the realm of larger organisms, permeating the marine microbial world, where bacteria exhibit their own captivating light. This phenomenon is not merely for show. It serves crucial ecological functions, particularly in nutrient cycling and interactions within their environment. These microorganisms contribute significantly to the overall energy flow in oceanic ecosystems, illuminating the shadowy depths with their soft glow. In these regions, bioluminescent bacteria often engage in mutualistic relationships with larger marine hosts, such as fish and invertebrates. The light produced can serve as a deterrent against predators, providing a means of survival for both the bacteria and their host. This collaboration underscores a delicate balance within the food web, wherein light becomes a tool for both protection and sustenance. The biochemical mechanisms underlying bioluminescence in bacteria involve complex reactions between luciferin and luciferase, resulting in the emission of light. This process has evolved over millions of years, adapting to the unique challenges presented by the deep-sea environment. In doing so, these microorganisms not only enrich their immediate surroundings, but also contribute to the broader understanding of ocean health and the interconnectedness of life in these vast, dark waters. The function of bioluminescence extends beyond the vastness of the ocean, revealing its presence within the intricate world of fungi. In damp, shaded woodlands, certain species exhibit a gentle glow, illuminating the forest floor. This phenomenon serves multiple purposes, intricately linked to survival and reproduction. The bioluminescent properties often attract various organisms, from insects to larger animals, facilitating the dispersal of spores. Through this method, fungi ensure the continuation of their species in an environment where competition for resources can be fierce. The light emitted by these organisms typically results from a biochemical reaction involving a light-emitting pigment known as luciferin and an enzyme called luciferase. This reaction occurs primarily in specialized cells, allowing for the controlled release of light. The intensity and coloration of the luminescence can vary, influenced by factors such as habitat and species. In some cases, the glow may serve as a warning signal indicating toxicity or unpalatability to potential predators. This subtle communication helps maintain the delicate balance within the ecosystem. As researchers delve deeper into the mechanisms and implications of fungal bioluminescence, the significance of these glowing organisms continues to unfold, revealing the complexity of interactions that govern life in terrestrial environments. The study of these luminous fungi contributes to a broader understanding of ecological dynamics and evolutionary adaptations. Bioluminescent algae represent a fascinating aspect of marine ecosystems, illuminating the dark waters in which they thrive. These microscopic organisms, primarily phytoplankton, possess the remarkable ability to emit light through biochemical reactions. This luminescence serves various purposes, including deterring predators and facilitating communication among species. When disturbed, these organisms can create a stunning display, often observed in coastal waters, where waves crash and the shore glows with ethereal blue hues. The light produced is a result of luciferin, a light-emitting pigment, and luciferase, the enzyme that catalyzes the reaction. This interaction occurs within specialized organelles, allowing these tiny entities to harness energy from their environment effectively. Variations in color and intensity of light emitted can be attributed to different species of phytoplankton, each adapted to its specific habitat. Observations reveal that bioluminescent algae are not merely a visual spectacle. They play a critical role in the food web, providing sustenance for a variety of marine life. As they bloom, they can influence nutrient cycling and oxygen production, contributing to the overall health of oceanic systems. Research continues to explore the potential applications of bioluminescence in biotechnology and environmental monitoring, further bridging the gap between biological phenomena and scientific inquiry. The fascination with bioluminescence has historical roots that extend far beyond contemporary scientific inquiry. Ancient civilizations encountered glowing organisms, attributing mystical significance to these natural phenomena. Sailors of old spoke of ghostly lights on the water, often interpreted as omens or guides. This beguiling luminosity influenced folklore and navigational practices, embedding itself into the cultural fabric of coastal societies. During the 18th century, the study of bioluminescence began to shift toward a more systematic approach. Pioneers like Giovanni Antonio Scopoli documented the luminescent properties of marine life, igniting curiosity that would persist for centuries. By the late 19th century, researchers such as Thomas Henry Huxley started to analyze the biochemical mechanisms behind this phenomenon. Understanding the processes that enable organisms to emit light became a cornerstone for future studies. The advent of modern technology further propelled research, allowing for more sophisticated experiments. Bioluminescence was explored in greater detail, leading to the discovery of luciferins and luciferases, key components that facilitate light emission. These advancements in knowledge did not merely satisfy academic curiosity. They offered insights into ecological interactions and adaptations. The ongoing exploration of bioluminescence reflects both an enduring quest for understanding and an appreciation for the complexities of life within these shadowy depths. Recent discoveries in bioluminescence research have uncovered an astonishing diversity of organisms, each utilizing light for various biological functions. Among these, the deep-sea lanternfish stands out, possessing specialized photophores that enable it to produce a glow, aiding in communication and camouflage. This adaptation plays a critical role in its survival, in an environment where light is scarce. Investigations into the chemical processes behind bioluminescence have revealed complex interactions between luciferins and luciferases. These molecules undergo rapid transformations, resulting in the emission of light with minimal heat production. Such efficiency is vital for organisms that thrive in cold, dark environments. Noteworthy is the discovery of bioluminescent bacteria, often found in symbiotic relationships with larger marine creatures. These bacteria contribute to the glow of certain species, illuminating their hosts and providing benefits such as deterrence from predators and attraction of mates. This mutualistic interaction underscores the intricate connections within marine ecosystems. Researchers also highlighted the role of bioluminescence in predator-prey dynamics. Certain species utilize light to mislead or startle their predators, while others exploit the darkness, utilizing flashes to signal potential mates. Each discovery adds layers to the understanding of these remarkable adaptations, revealing a world where light serves as a vital communication tool amidst the shadows. The lanternfish exemplifies this intricate relationship, showcasing bioluminescence as a crucial survival mechanism. Found in depths ranging from 200 to 2,000 meters, it employs light to navigate, attract prey, and evade predators. This species possesses specialized photophores, light-producing organs that dot its body, emitting light in various patterns and colors. These adaptations facilitate complex signaling. Lanternfish can control the intensity and wavelength of emitted light, allowing for a nuanced communication system in the dark depths. This bioluminescence also plays a role in counter-illumination, where the fish illuminates its underbelly to blend with the faint light from above, effectively masking its silhouette against predators lurking in the depths. Feeding strategies are equally influenced by this luminous capability. The light attracts smaller prey, creating an opportunistic hunting ground. As lanternfish engage in this predation, the cascading effects on local ecosystems become apparent, highlighting their role as a keystone species in the deep-sea food web. The lanternfish's adaptability is further illustrated by its unique reproductive strategies. During spawning events, coordinated light displays signal mates. Aphrodisiacs decide by its unique reproductive strategies. During spawning events, coordinated light displays signal mates, ensuring successful reproduction in an otherwise dark and isolating environment. This reliance on bioluminescence underscores its importance, illustrating how life thrives in the most extreme conditions of the ocean. Each flicker and glow contributes to the profound complexity of marine life. Within this intricate web of life, bioluminescence plays a critical role in ecosystem dynamics. It serves various functions that enhance survival and reproductive success among marine organisms. Some species utilize light to attract mates, signaling their readiness for reproduction. This phenomenon ensures the continuation of genetic lineages in the dark abyss. Predators employ bioluminescent displays to lure unsuspecting prey closer. The soft glow emitted by certain organisms can mesmerize and disorient, making them easy targets for capture. Conversely, some prey species produce light as a defense mechanism, startling potential predators and allowing for a swift escape into the surrounding darkness. Interactions extend beyond mere predation and attraction. In nutrient-poor regions, bioluminescent bacteria are found in symbiotic relationships with larger marine animals. This partnership helps illuminate the surroundings, providing the host organism with protection and enhancing its ability to navigate through the murky depths. The cascading effects of bioluminescence reach into the broader ecosystem, influencing food webs and nutrient cycles. The energy transferred through these luminous interactions can affect the distribution and abundance of various species, creating dynamic shifts within communities. And this realm, light becomes a vital currency, shaping behaviors and interactions. The subtle communication illuminated by bioluminescence quietly orchestrates the delicate balance within the ocean's depths. A complex network emerges, intricately woven by bioluminescent organisms that serve as both predator and prey. In this region, tiny plankton harness the power of light, becoming beacons in the dark where sunlight cannot penetrate. This phenomenon attracts larger creatures, allowing them to locate food in the vast expanse of obscurity. It is not merely a strategy for survival. It forms the foundation of a food web that is uniquely adapted to the deep-sea environment. These organisms employ bioluminescence as both a lure and a defense mechanism. Some species emit light to dazzle potential predators, while others create deceptive displays to confuse or distract. As one moves deeper, the diversity of bioluminescent life increases. Jellyfish gracefully pulsate with ethereal light, signaling presence while simultaneously ensuring their own safety. Fish engage in a silent communication, using flashes of blue and green to establish territories or attract mates. This luminous language facilitates interactions crucial for maintaining the ecosystem's integrity. It allows for efficient hunting and foraging, ensuring that energy flows through the food web. The fading company of light in these depths exemplifies a critical reliance on bioluminescence, revealing the interconnectedness of life in a realm often perceived as desolate. The interplay of light and dark, the impact of ocean acidification on bioluminescent species poses significant challenges. Elevated carbon dioxide levels lead to increased hydrogen ions in seawater, altering its chemistry. This shift affects the delicate balance of marine ecosystems where bioluminescent organisms thrive. Species such as certain jellyfish, deep-sea fish, and microorganisms rely on this ability for communication, predation, and defense. Changes in pH can disrupt the biochemical pathways essential for light production. Many of these organisms produce light through complex chemical reactions involving luciferines and luciferases. When the ocean becomes more acidic, the availability of these compounds may diminish, hindering the organism's ability to emit light. Reduced bioluminescence can have cascading effects on the food web. Predators depend on the light produced by prey for hunting, while some species utilize bioluminescence as a defense mechanism, confusing or deterring threats. The resulting decline in these organisms could alter predator-prey dynamics, leading to unexpected shifts in population distributions and community structures. Research continues to explore the resilience of bioluminescent species. Some may exhibit adaptive traits, responding to changing environmental conditions. Understanding these responses is crucial for predicting the future of ocean ecosystems, emphasizing the interconnectedness of biochemical processes and environmental health. Bioluminescence plays a vital role in symbiotic relationships within ocean ecosystems. This natural phenomenon facilitates communication between various species, enhancing survival and reproductive success. In certain regions, luminescent bacteria inhabit the bodies of marine animals, providing illumination that attracts prey or deters predators. These partnerships exemplify a delicate balance where both organisms benefit from their association. Unalloyed association. In the deep ocean, some species of squid possess bioluminescent organs that produce light. This light can mask the squid's silhouette, making it less visible to predators lurking in the darkness. In turn, the squid provides a stable environment for the bioluminescent organisms it hosts. Such mutualistic relationships highlight the evolutionary adaptations that have emerged in response to the challenges of living in these depths. For other things in these depths, coral reefs also exhibit intricate connections involving bioluminescence. Certain reef inhabitants utilize bioluminescent signals to facilitate the interaction between algae and coral polyps. These signals can regulate growth patterns, enhancing nutrient exchange and contributing to the overall health of the reef ecosystem. The presence of bioluminescent organisms not only enriches the biodiversity of these environments, but also serves as an indicator of ecological balance. The fading glow of luminescence can signal disturbances, prompting further investigation into the health of the marine ecosystem. Understanding these complex interactions continues to reveal the intricate web of life beneath the waves. Bioluminescence serves as a crucial component in predator-prey interactions within the deep ocean. This phenomenon, produced by various organisms through chemical reactions, contributes to survival strategies that are essential in the pitch-black depths. Predators utilize bioluminescence to attract prey, creating an enticing allure that lures unsuspecting organisms into their grasp. The subtle glow emitted by these predators often mimics the ambient light from other marine sources, enhancing their effectiveness. Prey species have developed countermeasures, evolving bioluminescent features that serve both defensive and communicative purposes. Certain organisms emit light in response to predation, creating confusion and facilitating escape. This adaptation showcases a remarkable evolutionary arms race, where both predator and prey constantly refine their strategies in a silent contest for survival. In addition to hunting, bioluminescence plays a role in mating rituals and social interactions among species. The display of light can signal the presence of potential mates, ensuring genetic diversity within these communities. Such interactions highlight the multifaceted nature of bioluminescence, extending beyond mere survival tactics. These interactions underline the complexity of life in the deep ocean, where light not only illuminates the darkness, but also facilitates intricate behaviors and relationships among diverse marine organisms. In this hidden world, bioluminescence reveals the delicate balance of life beneath the surface. Light plays a crucial role in the deep-sea habitat, serving as both a guide and a tool for survival. In the complete darkness that envelops these depths, organisms have evolved to create their own illumination. This natural light assists in communication, attracting mates and luring prey, highlighting the intricate adaptations that have developed over millennia. Such illumination can take on various forms, from the soft glows emitted by certain jellyfish to the flashing signals of deep-sea squid. These adaptations are not merely for spectacle. They bolster the chances of survival in a habitat where food is scarce and predators lurk. The interplay of light has also given rise to complex interactions among species, where illumination can signal both danger and opportunity. For Untomutarid, in this environment, the spectral qualities of light change with depth, influencing the visibility and behavior of organisms. The wavelengths that penetrate deeper contribute to a visual language unique to this region, revealing a hidden ecosystem that thrives on the edges of light and darkness. The significance of bioluminescence extends beyond individual survival. It also shapes community dynamics and nutrient cycles. Each flicker and glow contributes to a broader narrative of life, underscoring the vital role that light plays in sustaining this enigmatic realm of the ocean. Counter-illumination serves as a remarkable adaptation among bioluminescent organisms, strategically utilizing light to blend into the marine environment. In this region, Many species possess specialized light-producing organs that emit visible light in a manner mimicking the natural glow from the surface. This phenomenon allows them to evade predation by disrupting their silhouette against the dimly lit waters above. A light from the sun filters down, creating gradients of illumination that shift with depth. By matching their bioluminescence to this ambient light, these organisms achieve a delicate balance, rendering themselves nearly invisible to hungry eyes lurking below. The process relies on sophisticated mechanisms, enabling precise control over the intensity and color of emitted light. Various species, such as certain jellyfish and squid, exemplify this adaptive strategy. Their bioluminescent capabilities not only aid in camouflage, but also enhance their predatory skills, allowing them to approach unsuspecting prey undetected. This dual purpose underscores the versatility of bioluminescence within the marine ecosystem. Research continues to unravel the intricacies of these adaptations, revealing the evolutionary pressures that shape their development. The quiet interplay of light and shadow in this vast expanse not only illustrates the ingenuity of life, but also highlights the complex relationships that define the deep ocean's ecological dynamics. Such adaptations remain pivotal to survival in a world where darkness prevails. Patterns and colors emerge as essential components of bioluminescent communication. Each organism exhibits a unique signature, a complex interplay of light and hue that conveys specific messages. This region of the ocean teems with life forms capable of producing their own light, allowing them to engage in various interactions. The spectrum of colors ranges from the subtle blues of deep-sea creatures to vibrant greens found in coastal waters. These shades serve not only to attract mates, but also to deter predators or lure unsuspecting prey. The rhythmic pulsing of light creates a form of dialogue that transcends the limitations of sound. Some species utilize rapid flashes, while others may emit a steady glow. Such variations provide a nuanced vocabulary that can signal urgency, calmness, or even alarm. In the depths of the ocean, these luminous displays are crucial for navigation and social bonding among species. Additionally, the intensity and duration of these signals can convey different meanings. Certain organisms may alter their bioluminescence in response to environmental stimuli, reflecting changes in water temperature or the presence of competitors. This ability to communicate through light enhances their chances of survival in an expansive, dark habitat. In essence, the intricate patterns and colors of bioluminescent signals form a silent yet profound language, facilitating interactions across diverse marine ecosystems. The profound language of bioluminescence is influenced significantly by the depth at which organisms reside. In the sunlit zones of the ocean, where light penetrates and photosynthesis thrives, bioluminescent displays tend to be vibrant and varied. Organisms in these regions often utilize bright colors to attract mates or warn predators. The spectrum of hues can include greens, blues, and even reds, showcasing a remarkable adaptability to their surroundings. As one descends into the twilight zone, the diminishing light alters the expression of bioluminescence. Organisms here often employ more subdued displays, utilizing softer glows that can be perceived in the faint luminescence of their environment. This region serves as a transition where visibility is limited, leading to a reliance on subtle communication techniques. Signals are designed for close-range interactions, enhancing survival and reproductive success. In the abyssal plains, where darkness reigns and pressure mounts, bioluminescence takes on a different role. Organisms adapt to extreme conditions, often exhibiting pale blue or green emissions. These signals serve not only as lures to attract prey, but also as defense mechanisms, providing a brief distraction to escape from potential threats. The interplay of depth, light, and pressure shapes these biological phenomena, revealing the complex adaptations that allow life to flourish in the ocean's depths. Biofluorescence and bioluminescence offer distinct yet interconnected adaptations, each serving unique functions within this aquatic realm. Biofluorescence occurs when organisms absorb light, re-emitting it at longer wavelengths. This phenomenon can be observed in various species, including certain corals, jellyfish, and fish. The vibrant hues that emerge under specific lighting conditions enable these creatures to communicate or camouflage themselves within their surroundings. It serves as a crucial mechanism for attracting mates or warding off predators, enhancing survival in the dark. Contrast this with bioluminescence, which involves the production of light through biochemical reactions. This process can be found in organisms such as fireflies, deep-sea fish, and some types of plankton. The emitted light serves multiple purposes, including luring prey, signaling distress, or facilitating communication among species. Both adaptations thrive in environments where sunlight is scarce, utilizing chemical energy to illuminate the darkness. In certain regions, the coexistence of biofluorescent and bioluminescent species creates a unique ecological dynamic. The interplay between these mechanisms can influence predator-prey relationships and social interactions, shaping the behavior and evolution of these organisms. Understanding their roles enhances comprehension of the intricate relationships that define life in the ocean's depths, contributing to the broader narrative of adaptation and survival in extreme environments. Bioluminescence plays a pivotal role in marine navigation, guiding both predators and prey in the vast, dark expanses of the ocean. This natural light source illuminates the surroundings, providing essential cues for movement and orientation. Many species utilize these glowing displays to signal their presence or to communicate with one another, facilitating social interactions essential for survival. Certain organisms, such as squids and jellyfish, employ bioluminescence as an adaptive strategy to evade predators. By emitting light, they create a momentary distraction, allowing them to escape. This phenomenon, known as counter-elimination, involves matching the light from the surface, effectively camouflaging themselves against the faint sunlight filtering down from above. In contrast, some predators exploit this ability to attract prey, luring unsuspecting organisms into their reach. The delicate balance between light and darkness shapes the behaviors of countless marine species. It serves as a navigational tool, aiding in the identification of habitats and the location of food sources. In this environment, the hydrothermal vents and deep-sea trenches become illuminated realms where interactions unfold, driven by the flickering glow of bioluminescent entities. This interaction emphasizes the significance of light in an ecosystem, often defined by its absence. Adaptations surrounding bioluminescence illustrate the intricacies of marine life, reflecting a profound understanding of the ocean's many layers. The role of bioluminescence extends beyond mere adaptation. It serves as a vital indicator of environmental health within the ocean. Various organisms utilize light to signal changes in their surroundings, offering insights into ecosystem dynamics. This phenomenon aids in detecting shifts in water quality, often responding to pollutants and temperature alterations, with noticeable variations in luminescent activity. In regions affected by human activity, these light emissions can serve as early warning systems. Elevated levels of toxic substances often provoke a distinct alteration in the patterns of bioluminescence, allowing researchers to monitor environmental stressors. The presence of certain bioluminescent species can indicate the overall well-being of marine habitats, providing a snapshot of ecological balance. In the depths of the ocean, light produced by these organisms contributes to a complex web of interactions. It facilitates communication among species, attracting predators or mates, while simultaneously acting as a defense mechanism This biological luminescence not only illuminates the dark waters, but also informs scientists about the impacts of climate change. Research into these natural light sources reveals important data on biodiversity and species distribution. By understanding the relationship between bioluminescent organisms and their environment, scientists uncover patterns that reflect broader ecological trends, guiding conservation efforts in an ever-evolving oceanic landscape. Advancements in bioluminescence imaging techniques have significantly enhanced the ability to study these elusive organisms and their behaviors. Researchers now utilize high-resolution cameras capable of capturing rapid movements and subtle light emissions, revealing intricate details previously obscured in the depths. This technological progress allows for the observation of bioluminescent patterns in real time, fostering a deeper understanding of communication mechanisms among species. The integration of sophisticated software for analyzing light spectra provides insights into the chemical compositions responsible for luminescence. These developments facilitate the identification of specific wavelengths emitted by various organisms, illuminating their unique adaptations. In this region of the ocean, where darkness reigns, the ability to discern these variations is crucial for ecological studies. The recent portable imaging systems have also transformed fieldwork, enabling scientists to capture bioluminescent phenomena in situ. Observations are no longer confined to laboratory conditions, allowing for a more natural context in which to study behaviors such as predation and mating. This approach leads to a nuanced appreciation of the roles these organisms play within their ecosystems. The ongoing refinement of imaging techniques promises to unveil new dimensions of bioluminescence, offering potential applications in medicine and technology. As understanding deepens, the implications for biodiversity conservation and the preservation of oceanic health become increasingly apparent. Research initiatives increasingly utilize bioluminescence as a tool for ecological studies. Employing advanced techniques, scientists measure and analyze light emissions to gauge the health of marine ecosystems. Various organisms, from microscopic plankton to larger species, emit light in response to environmental stimuli. Such responses serve as indicators of stress or changes in habitat conditions. The deployment of autonomous underwater vehicles equipped with sensitive light sensors allows for real-time monitoring of bioluminescent activity across vast stretches of ocean. These vehicles collect data on the distribution and intensity of bioluminescent organisms, revealing patterns that might be obscured in traditional sampling methods. This approach enhances the understanding of species interactions and the dynamics of food webs. Field studies focus on specific regions where researchers investigate the relationship between bioluminescence and environmental factors such as temperature, salinity, and nutrient availability. By correlating light emissions with these variables, insights emerge regarding the adaptive strategies of various organisms. Ecotoxicology studies also benefit. Examining bioluminescent responses to pollutants can indicate broader ecological impacts. Applications extend beyond research. Bioluminescent markers are employed in biotechnology, facilitating advancements in medical and environmental sciences. This multifaceted use of bioluminescence illustrates not only its ecological significance, but also its potential to illuminate new pathways in scientific discovery. The influence of bioluminescence on marine animal behavior is profound, shaping interactions within this vast ecosystem. It serves as a tool for communication among species, enabling them to convey messages ranging from mating signals to warnings of danger. Certain organisms emit light to attract mates, creating a spectacle that transcends the darkness of the ocean depths. This phenomenon enhances reproductive success by ensuring that visual cues are effectively transmitted in an environment devoid of sunlight. Predators also utilize bioluminescence employing it as a mechanism for luring prey. The soft glow can mimic the appearance of smaller organisms, enticing unsuspecting victims into a false sense of safety. This strategy illustrates a complex relationship where light becomes both a weapon and a survival tactic. Conversely, some species have adapted to counter this luminous display. They possess the ability to sense bioluminescence, allowing them to evade predators or locate food. This heightened awareness contributes to the dynamic equilibrium of marine life, where adaptation is constant and survival hinges on the ability to navigate a world illuminated by light. In such a dark realm, the intricate interplay of light and its effects on behavior reveals a delicate balance that governs life beneath the waves, highlighting nature's remarkable ingenuity in the face of environmental challenges. The delicate balance established by bioluminescence faces increasing pressures from climate change, with rising ocean temperatures and acidification altering the habitats of countless species. These shifts threaten the very mechanisms that enable organisms to produce light. The physiological processes responsible for bioluminescence are sensitive to environmental conditions, and changes in temperature can disrupt chemical reactions critical to luminescent emissions. This region, once a sanctuary for vibrant displays, now experiences fluctuations in species distributions as marine organisms seek more favorable conditions. As a result, the communication channels that rely on bioluminescence may become less effective, leading to challenges in mating, foraging, and predator avoidance. The loss of such vital signals could trigger cascading effects throughout ecosystems, altering predator-prey dynamics and upon the marine. Research indicates that certain species are already exhibiting reduced luminescent capabilities, which could stem from both increased stress and altered nutrient availability in warming waters. Observations of these changes raise concerns about the long-term viability of marine life that depend on light for survival. As the ocean changes, the implications of these disruptions ripple through the food web, reshaping interactions and threatening the resilience of these fragile ecosystems. Understanding these connections is essential for conservation efforts and for mitigating the effects of a warming planet on oceanic life. The intricate relationships formed by bioluminescent organisms extend beyond ecological implications, reaching into the realms of culture and mythology. Ancient civilizations often interpreted the glow of these creatures as manifestations of divine will or supernatural forces. In coastal communities, the shimmering light of the ocean provided not only a source of wonder, but also a means of navigation and communication. They inspired folklore, where glowing creatures were depicted as mystical beings guiding lost souls through dark waters. In contemporary society, bioluminescence captivates scientific inquiry and artistic expression alike. Artists and filmmakers draw inspiration from this natural phenomenon, illustrating the interplay between light and life in their works. The enigmatic glow serves as a reminder of the ocean's mysteries, prompting reflection on the fragile balance of marine ecosystems. Environmental awareness campaigns utilize the captivating allure of these organisms to evoke emotional responses, encouraging stewardship of the ocean. Scientific research into bioluminescence has illuminated various applications, ranging from medical advancements to environmental monitoring. The genetic mechanisms behind this light-producing ability are being explored for potential innovations in biotechnology. This region's luminescent inhabitants continue to inspire curiosity and innovation, reflecting a profound connection between human culture and the ocean's depths. Their glow signifies a legacy of life that resonates through time and space. Throughout history, bioluminescent organisms have inspired a multitude of myths and folklore across various cultures. These glowing entities, often seen in the depths of the ocean or along shores, evoke wonder and curiosity. Ancient mariners told tales of ghostly lights hovering above the water, attributing them to spirits or divine beings guiding lost souls home. In some traditions, These radiant displays were interpreted as omens, signaling both danger and fortune. In Polynesian culture, the glow of certain algae is linked to the spirits of ancestors, believed to illuminate the paths of the living. These luminous organisms play a role in rituals and oral histories, embodying connections to the past and the celestial. The phenomenon has even influenced navigation, with sailors using the presence of bioluminescence as a natural compass in the vast sea. In contrast, some cultures viewed these lights with apprehension, associating them with foreboding events. The flickering glow of jellyfish, for instance, became a symbol of the unknown, representing the mysteries that lie beneath the surface. Throughout various narratives, it is clear that the enchanting light serves not only as a biological marvel, but also as a potent cultural symbol, binding the realms of nature and human experience in a profound relationship that transcends generations. Applications of bioluminescence extend into the realm of biotechnology, where the natural illumination is harnessed for innovative solutions. This phenomenon, characterized by its efficient light production, serves as a model for developing sustainable light sources and biological indicators. Researchers investigate the genes responsible for bioluminescence to create organisms capable of glowing under specific conditions. These genetically modified organisms can signal the presence of pollutants in the environment, offering a real-time monitoring system for ecological health. In the medical field, bioluminescence aids in imaging and diagnostics. Cells engineered to emit light upon the presence of certain markers enable scientists to visualize cellular processes with remarkable precision. This approach enhances the understanding of disease mechanisms and the effectiveness of therapeutic interventions. The non-invasive nature of bioluminescent imaging provides a significant advantage over traditional methods, reducing the need for harmful substances and improving patient outcomes. In agriculture, bioluminescent markers are utilized to track gene expression and monitor plant health, providing invaluable insights into crop performance under varying environmental conditions. This capability promotes sustainable practices and improved yields in food production. The exploration of bioluminescence in various domains exemplifies its potential impact, revealing how nature's ingenuity can inspire technology that harmonizes with ecological integrity. The journey into this luminous realm continues to unfold, promising further advancements grounded in nature's brilliance. Research into bioluminescence has opened new avenues in medical science, with applications that extend far beyond the depths of the ocean. In laboratories, it serves as a vital tool in cellular imaging, allowing scientists to visualize biological processes in real time. By integrating bioluminescent proteins into cellular structures, researchers can track cellular activities, providing insights into disease mechanisms and treatment responses. This phenomenon also plays a crucial role in drug discovery. Bioluminescent assays facilitate the screening of compounds, enabling the identification of potential therapeutic agents with greater efficiency. As these proteins emit light upon specific biochemical reactions, they offer a non-invasive means to monitor interactions in complex biological environments. Diagnostics have similarly benefited from this natural phenomenon. Bioluminescence-based technologies are increasingly utilized in detecting pathogens and monitoring health conditions. For instance, certain biosensors harness these proteins to identify infectious agents swiftly, ensuring timely medical intervention. The potential applications of bioluminescence in genetic engineering are equally promising. By employing these proteins as markers, it becomes possible to study gene expression and regulation in real time, enhancing the understanding of genetic disorders. As the exploration of this captivating light source advances, its contributions to medicine will likely continue to illuminate pathways to innovative treatments and enhance our comprehension of biological systems. Engineering bioluminescent organisms opens new frontiers for scientific discovery. These organisms serve as living indicators, revealing insights into environmental changes and biological processes. By integrating specific genes responsible for luminescence into various species, researchers can create models that respond visibly to alterations in their surroundings, offering a dynamic view of ecological interactions. In laboratory settings, bioluminescent bacteria and algae are utilized to monitor pollutants, toxins, and nutrient levels, providing real-time data that enhances environmental monitoring efforts. This ability to visualize changes on a cellular level allows for immediate assessments, facilitating timely interventions when necessary. In the pursuit of genetic understanding, engineered bioluminescent organisms can illuminate the activities of specific genes during developmental stages. Tracking these processes contributes significantly to fields such as regenerative medicine and developmental biology. The luminescent markers reveal the timing and location of gene expression, offering a clearer picture of organismal growth and differentiation. The implications extend beyond basic science. The potential for bioluminescence in bioengineering applications is vast, from creating sustainable light sources to developing novel biosensors. Engineered organisms may reshape industries. The journey into the realm of bioluminescence continues to deepen, revealing the profound connections between light, life, and the intricate systems that sustain our planet. Research into bioluminescence holds the potential to unlock new frontiers in various scientific domains. Advances in genetic engineering are enabling scientists to explore the mechanisms underlying this phenomenon, offering insights into the genetic basis for light production. Understanding these processes could lead to innovative applications in medicine, such as targeted therapies that utilize bioluminescent markers for disease detection. The environmental implications are equally significant. Bioluminescence serves as a natural indicator of ecosystem health, providing a means to monitor changes in oceanic conditions. With rising concerns over climate change and pollution, these organisms may reveal critical data about the impacts on marine life. As researchers delve deeper into the interactions between bioluminescent species and their environments, they may identify strategies to mitigate ecological degradation. Technological advancements are facilitating more sophisticated observational techniques that capture bioluminescent activity in real time. This allows for an unprecedented understanding of species behavior and interactions. The exploration of bioluminescent compounds also holds promise for developing sustainable lighting solutions, reducing energy consumption while harnessing the beauty of natural phenomena. In this era of discovery, the future of bioluminescence research appears limitless. Each revelation contributes to a more profound understanding of life beneath the waves, echoing the delicate balance that sustains the vibrant ecosystems of the ocean. The potential of bioluminescence extends beyond the confines of marine ecosystems. In recent years, researchers have begun exploring its applications in renewable energy. This phenomenon, characterized by the emission of light from living organisms, could offer innovative solutions to energy challenges. Organisms such as certain species of jellyfish and deep-sea fish possess unique proteins responsible for this light production, which may be harnessed for bioengineering. Bioluminescent proteins can be utilized in various ways, including the development of sustainable light sources. These organisms convert chemical energy into light with remarkable efficiency, presenting an opportunity for creating environmentally friendly illumination methods. Integrating such biological systems into urban environments could reduce reliance on conventional electricity sources, lowering carbon footprints. Additionally, these light-emitting organisms can serve as indicators for monitoring environmental health. Changes in their bioluminescent patterns might reflect shifts in water quality or ecosystem stability, providing valuable data for ecological assessments. The study of bioluminescence also inspires advancements in technology, such as improving energy capture and storage methods. Exploring the intricate mechanisms behind this natural phenomenon offers promising avenues for future energy innovations. As scientists delve deeper into understanding the complexities of bioluminescence, its role in shaping sustainable energy solutions may become increasingly significant. The ocean's depths continue to unveil secrets that hold the potential to transform our relationship with energy. Bioluminescence serves as an inspiration for biomimicry, offering insights into sustainable technologies and innovative materials. This natural phenomenon, found in various marine organisms, showcases remarkable adaptations that have evolved over millions of years. The ability to produce light through biochemical reactions allows these creatures to communicate, attract prey, and evade predators. It highlights a sophisticated understanding of energy efficiency that can inform human engineering. In this region, certain jellyfish and deep-sea fish utilize bioluminescence to create mesmerizing displays. These adaptations have prompted researchers to explore applications in lighting and displays, leading to developments in energy-saving technologies. Bioluminescent proteins, extracted from species like the Echuria victoria jellyfish, are being studied for their potential in medical imaging and diagnostics. This insight into natural light production provides a model for creating sustainable alternatives to traditional lighting systems. The mechanisms involved in bioluminescence, such as luciferin and luciferase, showcase efficient energy conversion processes that could reshape how we approach illumination. Further exploration of these marine organisms reveals that bioluminescence is not merely a tool for survival, but a complex language, rich with meaning. Understanding this communication may lead to breakthroughs in environmental monitoring and bioindicators, offering new methods to assess the health of ecosystems. The exploration of bioluminescent organisms in aquaculture presents both opportunities and challenges. These organisms, thriving in diverse marine environments, exhibit unique properties that can be harnessed in aquaculture settings. Their intrinsic light production could enhance the visibility of fish farms, allowing for improved monitoring of aquatic life and conditions. This illumination could also deter certain predators, thus safeguarding valuable stock. Despite these advantages, obstacles arise in the implementation of bioluminescence within aquaculture. Cultivating bioluminescent species requires specific environmental conditions, often necessitating substantial adjustments to existing systems. The balance of light and nutrients must be meticulously managed to promote optimal growth. In addition, potential ecological impacts must be evaluated, ensuring that introducing bioluminescent organisms does not disrupt local ecosystems or outcompete native species. Research continues to investigate the feasibility of integrating these organisms into aquaculture practices. The study of their genetic makeup and biochemistry may reveal ways to enhance their light-emitting capabilities, paving the way for innovative applications. The intricate relationships between these organisms and their surroundings offer insights into sustainable practices that could revolutionize aquaculture. By embracing the complexity of bioluminescence, a pathway emerges that could transform how aquatic farming interacts with the environment. The impact of light pollution on bioluminescent species presents a significant challenge within aquatic ecosystems. Artificial lighting, introduced through urban development and industrial activities, disrupts the natural darkness that many marine organisms rely on for survival. These species, often adapted to thrive in low-light conditions, may struggle to communicate, reproduce, and evade predators when their environments are illuminated by unnatural light sources. In this region, the delicate balance of nocturnal behaviors is affected. Bioluminescent microorganisms, such as dinoflagellates, utilize light as a signal for various essential biological processes, including mating, The presence of artificial light can interfere with these signals, leading to reduced population densities and altering community dynamics. The cascading effects can diminish the overall health of the ecosystem, as these organisms are fundamental to the food web. The fading company of bioluminescent creatures is a silent witness to the encroachment of human activity. As artificial lighting displaces natural light cycles, it alters predator-prey relationships. The impact of artificial lighting extends into the realm of technological innovations designed to detect bioluminescence. Various methods have been developed to capture and analyze the subtle glows emanating from organisms inhabiting these depths. Advanced photodetectors now allow researchers to observe light emissions with unparalleled precision. These instruments can discern the faintest signals, enabling the identification of species previously obscured in the darkness. In this region, imaging systems equipped with sensitive cameras provide a visual representation of bioluminescent activity. Coupled with sophisticated algorithms, these systems can classify and quantify light patterns, revealing intricate behaviors and interactions among organisms. The combination of such technologies facilitates a deeper understanding of ecological dynamics, offering insights into how these light displays function as signals for communication or camouflage. Remote sensing techniques have also been implemented, permitting the monitoring of bioluminescence across vast areas. These innovations enable scientists to gather data on temporal and spatial variations in light emissions, providing a broader context for studying the effects of environmental changes. As research continues, the integration of artificial intelligence into bioluminescent detection holds promise for processing and interpreting complex datasets. This evolution in technology fosters an enhanced comprehension of the mysterious relationships that define life in the ocean's depths, further illuminating the hidden dialogues of its inhabitants. Bioluminescent patterns reveal intricate systems of communication within the ocean's dark expanse. Many organisms utilize light as a means to attract mates, deter predators, or lure prey. The mechanisms behind these glowing displays involve complex biochemical reactions, primarily the interaction between luciferin and luciferase, which varies among species, leading to a spectrum of colors and intensities. This region is home to diverse species, each uniquely adapted to harness light. For instance, certain jellyfish exhibit a soft green luminescence, which serves both as a warning and a captivating feature for potential mates. In contrast, the deep-sea anglerfish employs a bioluminescent lure to entice unsuspecting prey into its jaws, a method that underscores the brutal realities of survival in these depths. The patterns created are not merely random occurrences. They consist of rhythmic flashes and pulses that convey specific information. Recent studies suggest that these displays can encode messages akin to a biological language. The timing and frequency of these emissions play crucial roles in the interactions between species, influencing behaviors and ecological dynamics. As researchers continue to investigate these phenomena, they uncover the layered complexity of life forms that inhabit this realm. These studies not only enhance understanding but also contribute to broader insights into evolutionary biology and the interconnectedness of marine ecosystems. The mechanisms behind bioluminescence reveal intricate genetic pathways. At the core of this phenomenon lies a set of genes responsible for the production of light-emitting proteins. These genes, often unique to specific organisms, dictate the various colors and intensities of bioluminescence observed across different species. The discovery of luciferins and luciferases, the chemical compounds involved in the light-emitting reactions, illustrates the complex biochemical processes underpinned by genetic information. In various marine environments, for Ontogegas, genetic variations contribute to the adaptability and survival of bioluminescent organisms. These adaptations can manifest in response to environmental pressures, such as predation or competition for resources. As organisms evolve, the genetic alterations may lead to the emergence of novel light-producing capabilities, enhancing their ecological roles. Research indicates that the genetic basis of bioluminescence can provide insights into the evolutionary history of these species. By examining the genetic similarities and differences among bioluminescent organisms, scientists can delineate evolutionary lineages and trace the origins of bioluminescence across diverse taxa. The interconnectedness of genetic traits and bioluminescence highlights the importance of genetic studies in understanding the broader implications of this phenomenon. Such research not only unravels the mysteries of the deep ocean, but also reflects the intricate relationships that define marine biodiversity. The evolutionary origins of bioluminescent proteins reveal a fascinating journey shaped by millions of years of adaptation and survival. These remarkable proteins, found in various marine organisms, showcase the profound ability of life to harness light for communication, predation, and defense. In some species, light emission serves as a lure for unsuspecting prey, while in others, it acts as a deterrent against potential threats. Research indicates that bioluminescence likely evolved independently in numerous lineages, demonstrating the versatility of this adaptation. The genetic basis for bioluminescence arises from specific enzymes and pigments, often derived from ancient biochemical pathways. This adaptation has persisted through extensive evolutionary pressures, suggesting its significant role in the survival of organisms in the dark depths. The presence of bioluminescence is particularly pronounced in environments devoid of sunlight. In these regions, the absence of external light sources creates a unique ecological niche where organisms depend on their own light-producing capabilities. The bioluminescent proteins, such as luciferase and luciferin, serve as crucial components in these processes, enabling life to thrive in extreme conditions. As the study of these proteins continues to evolve, insights into their mechanisms not only deepen our understanding of evolutionary biology, but also unveil potential applications in biotechnology and medicine. This exploration reflects a complex interplay of life forms, each contributing to the rich tapestry of oceanic ecosystems. The interplay between bioluminescence and photosynthesis reveals an intricate balance within these ecosystems. Photosynthetic organisms, such as phytoplankton, harness sunlight to create energy, fundamentally supporting the marine food web. In contrast, bioluminescent species utilize chemical reactions to emit light, often serving a variety of purposes such as communication, camouflage, or predation. These processes are not isolated. They influence one another in subtle ways. During twilight zones, where sunlight diminishes, bioluminescence becomes a beacon in the darkness. This region, where light penetration is limited, sees organisms emitting glows that can attract mates or deter predators. The interplay of light and dark creates a unique dynamic that shapes behaviors and interactions. In deeper waters, where photosynthesis cannot occur, bioluminescence serves as a critical tool for survival. Organisms such as deep-sea jellyfish and anglerfish deploy bioluminescent lures to attract unsuspecting prey. This adaptation highlights the evolutionary significance of light in environments where energy sources are scarce. As these life forms coexist, their interactions provide insights into the health of marine ecosystems. The balance of photosynthesis and bioluminescence demonstrates nature's ability to adapt and thrive, even in the most challenging environments, reflecting the resilience of life beneath the waves. This resilience extends into the intricate processes of the carbon cycle, where bioluminescence plays a subtle yet significant role. Organisms such as certain species of phytoplankton utilize light production not only for communication, but also to enhance their survival in nutrient-scarce waters. This natural phenomenon facilitates vital interactions with their environment, aiding in the absorption of carbon dioxide. As phytoplankton engage in photosynthesis during daylight, they accumulate organic carbon. At night, bioluminescent blooms illuminate the dark depths, attracting predators. This light serves as a beacon, drawing in grazers that feed on these organisms, leading to the transfer of carbon through the food web. The consumption of these glowing phytoplankton by small fish and zooplankton results in an efficient movement of carbon from the surface to deeper waters. When these organisms die, they contribute to the marine snow, a continuous shower of organic matter that descends through the water column. This descent facilitates the sequestration of carbon, effectively sequestering it in the ocean depths and removing it from the atmosphere. The deep ocean thus acts as a significant carbon sink, with bioluminescence being an influential factor in the dynamics of this essential cycle. Such interactions illustrate the complexity of ocean ecosystems and their critical role in regulating global climate. These ecosystems thrive in extreme environments, where light is scarce and pressure is immense. In these depths, bioluminescence serves as a vital adaptation, allowing organisms to communicate, attract prey, and evade predators. Various species have evolved specialized light-producing organs, employing chemical reactions to generate this glowing phenomenon. In the dark waters of the Mariana Trench, for example, specific organisms utilize bioluminescence to lure unsuspecting prey towards their waiting jaws. This adaptation is not solely for hunting. It also creates a light trail that can distract or confuse potential threats, increasing the chances of survival. These adaptations extend to symbiotic relationships, where organisms share the bioluminescent ability to enhance mutual survival prospects. Certain species of bacteria, residing within the bodies of larger marine creatures, emit light that these hosts utilize for various purposes, including camouflage and communication. The effectiveness of this strategy is evident in the depths of the ocean, where the absence of sunlight leads to an environment rich in bioluminescent activity. Each flicker and glow represents a finely tuned evolutionary response to the challenges of life in extreme conditions. This light is not merely beautiful, it is a testament to the intricate mechanisms that sustain life in one of Earth's most inhospitable realms. Cultures spanning the globe have long been captivated by this phenomenon, attributing various meanings and significance to the light emitted in the depths. In some coastal communities, bioluminescence is woven into folklore, symbolizing guidance through treacherous waters. Fishermen, relying on the glow to locate schools of fish, have passed down stories of mystical creatures that illuminate the ocean, representing abundance and prosperity. In the Arctic, the Inuit people observe the lights as manifestations of spirits, illuminating the connection between the living and the ancestors. These narratives enrich their understanding of the environment, allowing them to navigate the often harsh realities of their surroundings. Across the Pacific, Polynesian cultures interpret these lights as signals from the gods, a reminder of the divine interplay between nature and humanity. Scientific inquiry into bioluminescence has transcended cultural boundaries, uniting researchers in a quest to decode its mysteries. It is not only the biological processes that intrigue scientists, but also the potential applications that can arise from this natural phenomenon. Bioluminescent organisms offer insights into ecological interactions and serve as models for innovative technologies in medicine and environmental monitoring. The convergence of cultural interpretation and scientific exploration underscores the profound impact that bioluminescence has on human understanding, illuminating both the ocean depths and the collective human experience. The exploration of bioluminescence extends into the realm of astrobiology, where it raises intriguing questions about life beyond Earth. This natural phenomenon suggests potential mechanisms for communication among extraterrestrial organisms that may inhabit similarly dark and cold environments. The role of light in these alien ecosystems could mirror the intricate signaling observed in Earth's oceans, where organisms utilize bioluminescence for mating, predation, and even defense. Investigations into the chemical processes behind bioluminescence focus on luciferins and luciferases, providing a framework for understanding how life might evolve under different planetary conditions. These biochemical reactions, which emit light without generating significant heat, present a viable means of energy efficiency that could be advantageous in the resource-scarce environments of distant worlds. Experiments simulating extraterrestrial conditions further illuminate possibilities for bioluminescent life. By replicating the pressure, temperature, and atmospheric compositions similar to that of other celestial bodies, researchers can study how organisms adapt and potentially develop luminescent capabilities. Observations of extremophiles on Earth serve as analogues, offering insights into resilience and functionality in harsh environments. The potential for bioluminescence in astrobiological contexts shapes our understanding of life's adaptability and the fundamental principles governing organismal communication, enriching the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. The future of bioluminescent research in space exploration promises to unveil significant discoveries about life beyond Earth. Investigating the molecular mechanisms behind bioluminescence could provide essential clues regarding potential extraterrestrial life forms. Such studies may reveal how organisms harness light-producing reactions for survival in environments with little or no sunlight. Analyzing bioluminescent organisms in microgravity conditions offers opportunities to elucidate the effects of space on biological processes. Understanding how these organisms adapt their light-emitting capabilities could lead to insights into potential applications for synthetic biology and biotechnology. The ability to engineer organisms that produce light could revolutionize various fields, including sustainable energy and environmental monitoring. Research on bioluminescence might also support the development of advanced life detection technologies, enabling the identification of life signatures on distant celestial bodies. These innovations could enhance the search for life on planets and moons with subsurface oceans, such as Europa and Enceladus, where dark, frigid environments prevail. Ongoing missions aiming for Mars and beyond may incorporate bioluminescent organisms as part of experiments to assess habitability and ecological balance. By exploring these life forms, researchers could deepen our comprehension of life's potential manifestations across the universe, fostering a more nuanced view of existence itself. This line of inquiry leads to an intricate understanding of bioluminescence and its role within the ocean's carbon sink. Organisms capable of producing light contribute significantly to the marine ecosystem, engaging in processes that affect carbon cycling. In depths where sunlight fails to penetrate, these light-emitting entities navigate the darkness, facilitating communication and attracting mates or prey. The glow of these organisms is not merely for show. It plays a crucial role in the ocean's carbon dynamics. When organic matter descends into the abyss, it carries carbon, sequestering it in underwater layers. Bioluminescent species participate in this cycle by breaking down organic material, releasing nutrients that support diverse marine life, and fostering a vibrant food web that thrives in the dark. The shifts in luminescent patterns also indicate changes in environmental conditions, signaling disturbances within this delicate balance. Variations in light intensity can reflect the health of specific populations, thus serving as an indicator for broader ecological implications. Research into these bioluminescent phenomena continues to unveil the complex interconnections present in this region. Scientists are beginning to appreciate the subtle yet profound influence these luminous organisms exert over carbon sequestration. Ethical considerations in bioluminescent research arise as scientists delve deeper into the complexities of these organisms. The manipulation of genetic material to enhance luminescent properties raises significant questions about ecological balance. Alterations may disrupt established ecosystems, potentially leading to unforeseen consequences. This region, rich in biodiversity, depends on intricate relationships that have evolved over millions of years. The introduction of genetically modified organisms could unintentionally impact native species, harming the delicate equilibrium that sustains life. It becomes essential to weigh the benefits of this research against the potential risks to marine ecosystems. Conservation efforts must be prioritized, ensuring that the natural habitats of luminous species are preserved. In addition, the ethical treatment of these organisms during studies is paramount. Researchers must adhere to guidelines that minimize stress on living specimens, recognizing the intrinsic value of all forms of life. This respect fosters a deeper understanding of their roles within the marine environment. Collaboration with indigenous communities and local stakeholders is crucial. Their traditional knowledge can inform sustainable practices and enhance the ethical framework guiding research. With bioluminescence offering insights into communication and survival in the dark depths, it is vital to approach this field with a commitment to stewardship, a balancing discovery with responsibility in the face of potential ecological disruption. Engagement from the public has proven instrumental in advancing bioluminescence studies. Citizen science initiatives allow individuals to participate in data collection and observation of these phenomena, contributing valuable insights that may otherwise go unnoticed. This grassroots involvement fosters a deeper appreciation for marine ecosystems, encouraging stewardship among participants. Networks of citizen scientists often utilize digital platforms to share findings, making vast amounts of data accessible to researchers. These contributions enhance our understanding of bioluminescent organisms, revealing complex behaviors and interactions that occur beneath the waves. In turn, researchers analyze this data, identifying patterns that inform conservation strategies and ecological assessments. Collaboration between scientists and the public cultivates a sense of shared responsibility for these fragile environments. As more people engage in the study of bioluminescence, the collective pool of knowledge expands, leading to greater awareness of the challenges facing marine life. This collective effort can illuminate the impacts of climate change, pollution, and habitat destruction on bioluminescent species through careful monitoring. Citizen scientists provide critical information that can guide effective conservation measures. The connection forged between individuals and the ocean fosters a culture of inquiry and respect, highlighting the importance of every organism in these intricate ecosystems. Such initiatives demonstrate how informed communities can contribute to a sustainable future for our oceans. Bioluminescence serves as a vital communication method within marine ecosystems. This phenomenon occurs when certain organisms produce light through biochemical reactions, illuminating the depths of the ocean. Many species, including jellyfish, deep-sea fish, and bacteria, utilize this ability for various purposes, such as attracting mates, deterring predators, and luring prey. The study of bioluminescent organisms has implications beyond understanding their ecological roles. Researchers are exploring how these natural light-producing mechanisms can inform conservation efforts. By identifying key species and their habitats, it becomes possible to monitor the health of marine ecosystems. Light emissions can serve as indicators of environmental changes, signaling shifts in biodiversity and ecosystem stability. In regions where human activity threatens marine life, bioluminescence can offer insights into the effects of pollution and climate change. For example, shifts in the patterns or intensity of bioluminescent displays may suggest alterations in water quality or temperature, prompting timely conservation actions. Collaborative research efforts focused on bioluminescence may also foster greater public awareness. Educational programs centered on these captivating organisms can inspire collective responsibility towards protecting ocean environments. This gradual shift in perspective underscores the importance of preserving not only the beauty of the underwater world, but also the intricate connections that sustain it. The delicate balance of bioluminescent populations is increasingly threatened by overfishing practices. These methods disrupt the intricate web of life within the ocean, leading to significant declines in species that contribute to the luminous displays of the deep predatory fish and invertebrates, which play vital roles in these ecosystems, face considerable pressure from excessive harvesting. This alteration of species dynamics impacts not only the populations themselves, but also the myriad organisms that rely on them for survival. Depleted numbers of bioluminescent creatures disrupt communication mechanisms essential for mating and predation. As certain species diminish, the light they emit fades, leaving gaps in the intricate light patterns that serve as signals in this dark environment. This phenomenon has cascading effects on the food chain, altering the behaviors and survival strategies of other marine life that depend on these signals for navigation and safety. Restoration efforts require a multifaceted approach, focusing on sustainable fishing practices, habitat preservation, and the establishment of marine protected areas. By fostering a healthier marine environment, it is possible to revive bioluminescent populations and restore the vibrant interactions that characterize these deep-sea ecosystems. Such initiatives not only ensure the survival of these unique organisms, but also protect the broader health of oceanic environments. Addressing overfishing is essential for maintaining the delicate balance of life beneath the waves. Bioluminescence serves as a captivating method of communication in the deep sea. This phenomenon occurs when organisms produce light through biochemical reactions, often involving luciferin and luciferase. The vibrant displays can take various forms, from the gentle glow of deep-sea jellyfish to the dazzling flashes of certain species of squid. Each organism employs this remarkable ability for specific purposes, such as attracting mates, deterring predators, or luring prey. The deep ocean is bathed in darkness, making these light displays particularly striking. In this region, bioluminescent organisms can be found at all levels of the water column, contributing to the unique ecosystem. Some species use their light as a signaling mechanism, while others create patterns or pulses to convey complex messages. The communication is not only visually arresting, but also serves essential ecological functions, influencing predator-prey dynamics within the habitat. The interplay of light and darkness is critical for survival in this environment. Bioluminescent organisms often possess adaptations that allow them to produce light in response to environmental stimuli, such as movement or changes in water pressure. This ability enhances their chances of survival in an environment where visibility is limited. The ongoing study of these displays provides insight into the evolutionary strategies that have shaped life in the depths, revealing a hidden world of intricate interactions. Observation techniques employed in studying bioluminescence involve a range of sophisticated methods designed to capture this elusive phenomenon. These approaches often require specialized equipment, enabling researchers to document the subtle glow emitted by various organisms. Advanced imaging systems, equipped with sensitive cameras, can detect light in low visibility conditions, allowing for the observation of bioluminescent events in real time. In situ measurements are particularly valuable, as they provide context to the environmental factors influencing bioluminescent activity. Instruments deployed in the deep ocean can monitor variables such as temperature, pressure, and nutrient availability, correlating these elements with the occurrence of bioluminescent displays. Such data contribute to an enhanced understanding of the ecological roles these light-emitting organisms play within their ecosystems. Remote-controlled submersibles and autonomous underwater vehicles have revolutionized exploration, allowing scientists to access previously unreachable areas. These technologies facilitate close-range examination of bioluminescent species, revealing the complexity of their interactions and behaviors in situ. Acoustic sensors are also employed, capturing the sounds associated with bioluminescent organisms, which can provide additional layers of information regarding their communication methods. Collectively, these techniques form a comprehensive toolkit for exploring the intricacies of bioluminescent life. The integration of diverse observational strategies continues to uncover the hidden dynamics of life beneath the waves, enhancing our understanding of oceanic ecosystems. Misunderstandings often arise regarding bioluminescence, leading to oversimplified perceptions of its role in the marine environment. Many assume it is primarily a method of communication, yet its functions extend far beyond this singular interpretation. While signaling to potential mates or rivals is a factor, illumination serves various purposes, such as camouflage, predation, and even deterrence against predators. The notion that bioluminescence exists only in the depths of the ocean is misleading. Organisms exhibiting this remarkable trait inhabit a range of environments, from shallow coastal waters to the abyssal plains, illustrating the adaptability of bioluminescent mechanisms. This characteristic is not confined to a few isolated species but is a widespread phenomenon across numerous taxa, including bacteria, fungi, and an array of marine animals. Another misconception is that bioluminescence is always a vibrant display of color. In reality, the glow emitted is often subtle, manifesting in shades of blue and green, which are more easily perceived in the aquatic environment due to water's optical properties. The belief that bioluminescence is solely a product of evolutionary advancement fails to acknowledge the ecological balance it maintains. Each bioluminescent interaction plays a crucial role in the intricate web of life, underscoring the complexity of these organisms' existence within their habitats. Bioelectrogenescence encompasses a range of biological processes whereby organisms produce electricity, with bioluminescence being one of its most fascinating manifestations. This phenomenon is not only limited to the enchanting glow of deep-sea creatures, but also extends to various other organisms, such as electric eels and certain species of jellyfish. The electrical signals generated by these creatures serve diverse purposes, from communication to predation, highlighting the adaptability of life forms in extreme environments. In this region, electric fish utilize their capacity to emit electric fields, aiding in navigation and prey detection. These electric discharges can be subtle or prominent, creating a complex interplay of signals within their habitats. Some jellyfish harness bioluminescence, utilizing it as a defensive mechanism to deter predators or attract mates, weaving a delicate balance within their ecosystems. The mechanisms behind bioluminescence and bioelectrogenesis involve intricate biochemical pathways driven by specialized proteins and enzymes. In many cases, the luminescent properties arise from a reaction involving luciferins and lucifericins, while electric generation relies on ion exchanges facilitated by modified muscle or nerve cells. This convergence of light and electricity illustrates a remarkable evolutionary strategy, showcasing how organisms adapt to their surroundings. The interaction of these forms of bioelectrogenesis emphasizes the continuous innovation present in the depths of the ocean, revealing a world of complexity hidden beneath the waves. This complexity extends to behavior, where bioluminescence plays a pivotal role in the survival strategies of various species. Organisms utilize light not merely for illumination, but as an evolutionary tool to communicate, attract mates, and deter predators. Different species have developed unique patterns and colors of light, creating an intricate language of signals that conveys vital information in the dark depths. From Vedas prey. Predatory creatures often employ bioluminescence to lure unsuspecting prey into their vicinity. The soft glow emanating from these ambush predators can mimic the appearance of smaller organisms, drawing in curious victims that fall prey to their swift strike. In contrast, some species produce light as a defensive mechanism, startling or confusing attackers, thus increasing their chances of escape. Mating rituals also benefit from this biological phenomenon. The display of light patterns serves as an attraction tactic, where brighter or more complex displays often indicate healthier, more genetically advantageous partners. This visual communication is essential in an environment where traditional signals, such as scent or sound, may be less effective due to water's density. Communities of bioluminescent organisms thus engage in a delicate balance of light and shadow, each contributing to the evolutionary narrative of the deep ocean. As these creatures adapt, their light becomes an integral part of their identities, shaping interactions that echo through generations. Bioluminescent organisms serve as crucial indicators of ocean health, reflecting the complex interplay between environmental changes and marine ecosystems. The presence of these glowing entities often signifies balanced ecosystems, where nutrient levels and biodiversity remain stable. In contrast, declining populations or alterations in light emissions may indicate stress factors such as pollution or climate change. This region, characterized by its vibrant microbial life and diverse marine fauna, offers insights into the broader health of oceanic environments. Each flickering light serves as a biophysical response to shifts in temperature, salinity, or oxygen availability. Understanding these responses provides essential data for monitoring ecological shifts and assessing the impacts of human activity. Such organisms utilize bioluminescence not merely for communication but also as a defense mechanism against predation, creating a complex web of interactions that underlines their significance in marine food chains. The fading glow of certain species can foreshadow the degradation of habitats, making them vital sentinels of change within their aquatic realms. Observations of these glowing inhabitants reveal alarming patterns, particularly in areas heavily affected by anthropogenic influences. Protecting their delicate environments ensures that these organisms continue to thrive, maintaining their role as indicators of the ocean's well-being and the intricate balance of life beneath the waves. The vast expanse of the world's oceans hosts a remarkable array of bioluminescent species, each adapted to their specific environments. These organisms can be found in diverse habitats, ranging from the sunlit surface waters to the profound depths of the abyss. In the temperate zones, various species of jellyfish and plankton light up the waters, creating ephemeral displays that dazzle those fortunate enough to observe them. Tropical regions, with their warm waters, provide an ideal setting for a multitude of bioluminescent fish, particularly in coral reef ecosystems. These colorful reefs serve as hotspots for biodiversity, where the interaction between light and life plays a pivotal role in communication and predation. In deep-sea environments, organisms such as anglerfish and certain species of squid utilize bioluminescence for attracting prey and evading predators. In the pitch-black surroundings of the ocean floor, polar regions exhibit a different bioluminescent dynamic, where organisms like certain types of copepods adapt to the extreme conditions. These adaptations ensure their survival and contribute to the ecological functions of these frigid waters. The global distribution of bioluminescent species highlights the adaptability of life, showcasing the various evolutionary strategies that have emerged to illuminate the depths of the oceans and enrich marine ecosystems. Each instance of bioluminescence serves as a reminder of the myriad forms of life interconnected through the vast aquatic realm. The intricate relationship between bioluminescence and ecosystem resilience reveals the delicate balance of life beneath the waves. Within this expansive environment, organisms utilize light to navigate, communicate, and evade predators. This natural illumination plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of marine communities, often acting as a signal to attract mates or lure prey. In regions where nutrients are scarce, bioluminescent organisms thrive by enhancing their hunting strategies, allowing them to capitalize on fleeting opportunities. These adaptations foster a dynamic web of interactions, ensuring that energy flows through various trophic levels. As predators utilize light to locate prey, they contribute to the overall stability of their ecosystems. The presence of bioluminescent species can also indicate the health of their surroundings. Changes in the patterns or intensity of bioluminescence often reflect shifts in environmental conditions, such as temperature fluctuations or pollution levels. Observing these phenomena provides insights into the resilience of these ecosystems, offering clues about their capacity to recover from disturbances. As climate change continues to influence oceanic conditions, the reliance on bioluminescence may become even more pronounced. Understanding these relationships is essential for conserving the delicate balance of life in the deep, where light serves as both a tool and a lifeline, illuminating the interconnectedness of this hidden world. Temperature significantly influences bioluminescent activity within the deep ocean. In these frigid depths, variations can alter metabolic rates, affecting the intensity and frequency of light emissions. As temperatures decrease, enzymatic reactions responsible for bioluminescence also slow, leading to less pronounced displays. Conversely, warmer waters can enhance bioluminescent reactions, resulting in more vibrant phenomena. This region's thermal gradients create microhabitats, each with distinct bioluminescent organisms adapted to their environments. Some species thrive in cooler temperatures, where their light emissions serve critical functions such as predator deterrence or attracting mates. Others flourish in warmer settings, utilizing bioluminescence for communication or camouflage, providing tactical advantages in the dimly lit surroundings. Thermal stratification within the ocean creates layers of varying temperatures, influencing the distribution of bioluminescent life. These layers act as barriers, affecting how organisms interact and engage with one another. The influence of temperature extends beyond immediate bioluminescent activity. It shapes the broader ecosystem dynamics. Changes in temperature can result from climate variations, leading to shifts in species composition and abundance. The future of bioluminescence promises a convergence of art and technology, revealing new frontiers in creativity and innovation. Artists and designers are exploring this natural phenomenon, integrating its ethereal glow into various mediums. This exploration transcends traditional boundaries, allowing for immersive experiences that evoke wonder and curiosity. The inherent adaptability of bioluminescent organisms inspires new forms of expression, blurring the lines between the organic and the artificial. In technological realms, research into bioluminescence paves the way for sustainable lighting solutions. Adaptations of these biological mechanisms could lead to energy-efficient alternatives, illuminating spaces with softer ambient light that mimics the gentle glow of deep-sea environments. Innovations in bioengineering may enhance the brightness and duration of luminescence, enabling practical applications in both consumer products and urban design. The environmental implications of harnessing bioluminescence are profound. By utilizing organisms that thrive in their ecosystems, it is possible to create living artworks that contribute positively to their surroundings. This approach emphasizes the interconnection between art, nature, and technology, fostering an appreciation for the delicate balance of life beneath the ocean's surface. As exploration continues, the dialogue between bioluminescence and human creativity will deepen, inspiring future generations to forge a sustainable path that honors the mysteries of the ocean while advancing artistic expression and technological innovation. Unanswered questions linger within the depths where bioluminescence flourishes. The mechanisms behind this phenomenon remain a subject of intense research. The biochemical processes that enable organisms to emit light are intricate, involving luciferins and luciferases, yet many aspects are not fully understood. It remains unclear why certain species exhibit bioluminescence while others do not, raising inquiries about evolutionary advantages and survival strategies. Patterns of light display serve various functions, from attracting prey to warding off predators. The ecological roles of these signals in their respective environments are still being explored. This region teems with diverse organisms, each utilizing light for communication and navigation, but the full extent of their interactions is yet to be mapped. The potential applications of bioluminescence in biotechnology also pose questions. Scientists examine the potential for harnessing this natural light for medical and environmental purposes. Yet the implications of such innovations require careful consideration. Understanding the impact of changing oceanic conditions on these organisms adds another layer of complexity. As temperatures rise and ecosystems shift, the resilience of bioluminescent species remains uncertain. Ongoing studies aim to unravel the connections between bioluminescence and climate change, shedding light on the future of these remarkable beings and their environments. Such inquiries will shape the next chapters of oceanic exploration. The ongoing fascination with bioluminescence extends beyond scientific inquiry into the realms of culture and society. This phenomenon captivates the human imagination, inspiring countless works of art, literature, and folklore. In many traditions, it symbolizes the ethereal and the mysterious, embodying a connection to the natural world that eludes understanding. The glow emanating from the depths serves as a reminder of life forms that thrive in extreme conditions, pushing the boundaries of biological adaptability. Scientific communities continue to unravel the complexities of these organisms, studying their potential applications in fields such as medicine and environmental monitoring. The unique properties of bioluminescent proteins are explored for their utility in imaging techniques, offering insights into cellular processes. This ongoing research not only enhances our understanding of deep-sea ecology, but also promises advancements in biotechnology. Societal interest in bioluminescence has led to initiatives focused on conservation and awareness. Efforts to protect marine habitats highlight the delicate balance of ecosystems where these organisms exist. Through education and outreach, communities are encouraged to appreciate the intricate relationships that sustain life in the ocean. As exploration progresses, the allure of bioluminescence remains steadfast, bridging the gap between scientific discovery and cultural significance. The light from the deep continues to illuminate pathways toward a deeper understanding of our planet's mysteries.